Here's how you copy and paste text on your iPhone. First, find what you'll want to copy. Pick a part of the text, doesn't matter if it's the beginning, middle, or end. Tap and hold your finger on a word, and you'll see this magnifying glass with a blue selection highlight appear. You can slide your finger to highlight more text, or if you let go, you can adjust your selection by using these blue handles. Drag one handle to the end and the other where you want to begin copying. Once your selection is done, you can copy the text using this little context menu here. There's actually a lot of tools and options here, but I'm just going to use the copy command. If your context menu goes missing, tap the selected text once and it'll come right back. Tap copy and head to the app where you want to paste your text. Put your text cursor where you want to copy the text, and then tap the empty space. A menu opens up and you can choose Paste. Congrats, you just copy-pasted text on your phone. Let's do that again. Tap and hold, make your selection, copy. Then tap where you're about to write and choose Paste. If you're writing, you can also tap anywhere in the text and choose Select to automatically highlight that specific word. Or if you do the same and choose Select All, it will select all the text, which you can then copy or delete or whatever. You can also copy and paste things like photos, videos, emojis, files, and almost anything on your phone. The process is pretty much the same regardless of what you're copying. Hope this helps. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.